How to download Fall Guys game on Android. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can download Fall Guys PC game on Android, and also you can play the game on Android that you can play as if you are playing on PC, computer or laptop. So guys, before proceeding to the videos, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get a more informative videos every day. So what you have to do, you have to simply go to Play Store, and then after going to Play Store, here you need to search for FALL Fall Guys. So here for Android version, the game is in the name of Full Do 3D. So this is the game. You can see here Full Do 3D. So no need to worry. For Android, the version is a bit different, but the gameplay, I'm gonna show you how is the gameplay. It's exactly like full guys. So I hope you can play on Android also. So let me just open the game here. So guys, you can see here this is the game. So what you have to do, you can see here searching for an opinion now. It's very similar to it's like, you can see here it's same to like Fall Guys game. You can see here 3 2 1 and go. You can see here, oh shit, you know. So you can see it is exactly like Fall Guys. You can see here my network. So guys, in this way you can download Fall Guys game on Android. I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.